How's it going, YouTube? We have the metal overdrive gears for the TRX4M. Let's get this body off. That's better. Let's get her flipped over. Want to take your drive line off. All four of those off. Let's get them off. Now let's get these wheels off. Now we got to take these Allens off. Then you just pop this out, slide this. And we got to do our other side, but this will pop out once we do. Now I'm going to be putting these bearings on. So I already took this guy out, and on the inside we have one more. Now for the Injora. Now let's put the wheels on. Now for the diff cover. Now all we're missing is the drive line and body. And here is a tech tip from your one and only RC doctor. You put heat shrink over this seal for the TRX4M stock drive lines.